all. Am I audible to everyone out here? Just have a thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start. So, thank you so much, everybody out here, the whole BGN team, for giving me this opportunity. So, we'll begin. The topic for today is psychodynamics of platina. Okay, psychodynamics of platina. So, I'm sure we all have studied about platina, read about platina. We all know it's a heavy metal and has a syphilitic miasm, and it is also known as great black letter medicine. Okay, in this session, we learn that why this is known as a black letter medicine. First of all, it's a for syphilitic miasm. The discharges are black, the menses are black, clotted, and it's the remedy for huge perversion. You won't find anything normal here. Okay, be it the sexual sphere, be it the physical sphere, or even emotional sphere as well. Next, I would like to quote here about Dr. Kent, what he had written in his literature, that platinum proving represent a woman's mind perversion. Okay, as we all know, being an Indian, we have been uh, we have been told about this. We have been studied about this about the Indian women, how they are very homely, domestic, career oriented, shy, timid. Okay, within their limits. But Dr. Kent said, when you study platina, you came to know that even a woman mind can be perverted. And he says that this remedy is specially suited to hysterical females who have undergone fright, prolonged excitement, after effects of disappointment, shock, and even hemorrhages. Whenever it comes to hemorrhages, we think about hemamelis, gina, okay, these kind of remedies. I think that platina is the most missed remedy in such cases. So, platina cures mental traumatism. This statement is given by Dr. Kent. So, what is traumatism? We know any chort, any injury, any wound, okay, be it physical or mental, but platina is more suited to mental traumatism. So, the wounds are expressed on mind, heart, and soul. Patient will say that I'm sure a patient might have said this to you that दिल छलनी कर दिया, दिल दुखा दिया, दिल पर चोट लगी. Such kind of statements are given by platina patients. Feeling of very hurt and deeply wounded, cut to the heart. Patient give you the straight these sentences. Another shade of platina we have is an example like we have a giraffe. Okay, so giraffe has a very long neck, and he looks upon everybody as down. I am above all. Or the another shade like peacock. Peacock who always grabs the attention and says how beautiful I am, how a fine fellow I am. Now, what are the feelings of platinum? I would like to acknowledge here the book Souls of Remedy by Dr. Rajan Sankaran. He has beautifully penned down the feelings of all the remedies. I'm quoting few of platina here. You'll find all the feelings of humiliation, crushed down, तोड़ दिया, चाहे वो दिल तोड़ा, चाहे आत्मविश्वास तोड़ा, मान सम्मान तोड़ा, crushing of huge power, of being small, ailments from decisive ambition. Whenever ambition comes to your mind or female comes and says शादी हो गई, बच्चे हो गए, करियर पे ध्यान नहीं दे पाए, the remedy which stuck to our mind is mostly sapient, ambition loss of, or matrimony. Think about platinum as well. She has a delusion that she is noble. Now you will see the journey of disease from simple hurt or admonition or simple disappointment. What leads platina to this a huge to become like a black letter remedy? Next comes is Aurum. If we compare Platina with Aurum, okay. So as we all know, Aurum is a gold-headed patient like arsenic, a king, which has a very high sense of duty and responsibility. Similarly, Platina is a queen. She must carry herself very regally. She shows herself very superior. We all know about the superiority complex of Platina. Everything about Platina is rare, valuable, spiritual, and intellectual. She feels big from inside. She feels so special, irrespective of anybody is making her feel special or not. She barely mingles with the people. क्यों? मेरे क्लास के नहीं है ये लोग. They are not from my culture. They are not from my class. We are high class people. How can I make friends from a middle class or from a such kind of people? Okay, so she cannot form relationship with the other people just like noble metal platinum because we cannot ऐसे ही हम डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ सिग्नेचर देखेंगे then we'll find that platinum के अपने ही rings बनते हैं. It's not like that gold and diamond together, gold and silver together can be mixed. So platinum, it is not, they cannot form easily compound. So there is a, मैं किसी से बात भी नहीं करूंगी, मुझे किसी से मिलना भी नहीं है, कोई मेरे क्लास का भी नहीं है. Eventually, what left out is a loneliness in platinum, the isolation. She is a queen. Okay, she is a queen, but the queen is yet being left alone. I'll tell you, in a party, if you go, you'll find so many females, I'm sure. Okay, so beautifully dressed up females. So when you see females wearing junk jewelry, colorful, very very foppish, showy. Okay, they could be phosphorus and legacies. Phosphorus to attract people, and necklaces could be vivacious, full of colors. But the Platina lady will always wear expensive jewelry. Expensive means should be gold or diamond or platinum because she don't wants to be below anybody. कोई मेरे से अच्छे कपड़े और ज्वेलरी पहन के नहीं आना चाहिए. Okay. Even even platinum woman you can see in a wedding or in a function जब लोग bride को या host को भी नहीं देखे. Think of platinum. Okay. Next, next about platina is that performance in platina is to be expressed through sexuality. Platina has a fear कि अगर मेरे हस्बैंड को कुछ हो गया या उसने मुझे अगर छोड़ दिया, छोड़ना तो छोड़ो, अगर उसने मुझे निग्लेक्ट भी कर दिया तो भी उसको एलिमेंट्स आ जाते. एक्शन एक है, रिएक्शन बहुत सारे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर बहुत सारी फीमेल्स हैं एंड दे हैव द सेम एक्शन ऑफ व्हाट, दैट पार्टनर्स लेफ्ट, either they died or they get divorced, okay, or they get separate. What natrimule will do, natrimule will brood. I've seen so many females, मैं उनको बोलती हूँ, you are young, you are widow, you are just 26, why don't you get married? They say कि I had only one love of my life, I cannot think my life with somebody else, even though I have a kid or I don't have a kid, but I cannot love anybody else. That is natural. What Ignatia will do, Ignatia and Sepia will get more focused towards their ambition. What Legacies will do and Floric acid will do, they'll sleep around with people. It's their reaction. There is adultery, there is amorousness. What Platina will do, Platina attracts more and more males. Why? Because she desires attention. She is a queen. मुझे देखना है, लोग मुझे देखें. Okay, so action is common, but the reaction is very different with each remedy. So in Platina, there is pride associated with hysteria and nymphomania. Next comes if we try to group the Platina individual. Okay, so there are basically three basic groups for Platina. Number one, sane, more or less. Another one, the borderline, and the third one is insane. What we do in our clinic, we even see females, those who are very egoistic, very haughty, okay, with their even controlling their husbands. But we don't. But what we search for Platina is the superiority complex always, the perversion always. But it's not like that. Even Platina has a grade. They could be on first grade, the same more or less. They could be borderline. When they become syphilitic, then they become insane. Next is these are the keynote mental features, I must say. The rudeness, egotism, contradiction, intolerance of. You can correlate. If she is a queen, she cannot listen. No. Consolation intolerable. Admonition aggravate. What is admonition? Admonition I'll tell you. Rubric भी है ऐसा admonition aggravate. For example, किसी को प्यार से भी समझाया ना तो भी वो ऑफेंड हो जाता. We have palladium in this as well. तो अगर आपने किसी को प्यार से भी कहा ना प्लीज ऐसे मत करो एंड दे गेट ऑफेंडेड. थिंक ऑफ पैलेडियम एंड प्लेटिना. एडमोनेशन एग्रीवेट. नेक्स्ट इज सेंसोरियस. व्हाट इज सेंसोरियस? सेंसोरियस आर फॉल्ट फाइंडर्स. खुद तो हम सुपीरियर हैं ऐसा हमें लगता है, लेकिन जो हमारे आगे जो लोग हैं दे आर वेरी बिनीथ टू अस and we make sure that we find faults in them. That is mind sensorious. You'll find the rubric. All the hysterical complaints, okay, like anxiety, panic attacks, you'll find everything in Platina. There is a free floating anxiety alternating with the feeling of power, of superiority. You can see there is anxiety in Platina as well. Anxiety of being left out, anxiety of loneliness, anxiety of neglection. But at the same time, on the other side of coin, we have the feeling of power, superiority, the whole to hold things. So they are very sensitive and passionate, both sexually and mentally as well. They are very emotional at times, like Ignatia, and they get very much easily frightened by their own feelings because they are intense. They have so many delusions. Okay, delusion as if growing in all directions. Parts, body parts of the husband feels small. You'll find this. They realize that they are a person. They are very much confident. They have a lot of superiority in them, and they are a quality person. These they feel for themselves. Now, this is very interesting. As we all know, whenever I take a class or a webinar, so I focus more on comparative materia medica. Okay. So in comparative materia medica, uh, first of all, in this comparative materia medica, I would like to compare here platina with cannabis. How platina differs from cannabis. As we all know that platina is always looking down to the people, okay, casting off willingly, okay. So she experiences that other people are very small. Even there is a visual illusion just because of her pride. Whereas cannabis indica feels that the body is too large, but the sensation of this feeling of large is not associated with pride in case of cannabis. There's a rubric delusion as to the greatness of the body. Next comes there's a rubric Kent death sensation of. Kent ailment from thorns, oversensitive delusion, deserted and forsaken. Imagine a queen is having same emotions just like Natromule, Ignatia and Sepia. But the reason behind all is different. There could be ambitious loss in Ignatia and Sepia, loss of being forsaken, abandoned, the one-to-one relation in Natramune, and the hurt or the breaking of pride in Platina. They are very egoistic, haughty, and they treat others as very little, not worth of living. कीड़े मकोड़े जैसे, धरती पे बोझ जैसे, उनकी वैल्यू ही क्या है? There is, even if there is a feeling of am I audible? Am I audible? everyone? Am I audible, guys? Just drop a thumbs up. Dr. Yashika? I cannot hear anybody. Okay, I'm on it. So, another thing we find is hello, am I audible? Hello? Am I audible? Shall we continue? Okay. So there's a Kent rubric propensity to kill, sudden impulse to kill, and Platina is there. So they are violent thoughts and maybe persistent as sanity, impulse to hurt someone, mentally stopping him up, extending to give relief to her mental condition. Even these kind of cases are just borderline ones. Okay, so next rubric is mental trouble associated with suppressed menses. William Bohrick in his repertory has given this rubric for Platina. Platina has tendency to suffer from gynecological and hormonal problems. So this should be kept in mind. The tightness of thighs as if too tightly wrapped, numbness and weary sensation. Platina individuals, those who resist urges, become gradually psychological imbalance. So, if a platina lady is resisting her sexual desires or urge, they become psychologically insane or unsound. Okay, so what we think about, we usually think about hormonal imbalance, sepia, anatomure, the same, anacardium. But even when platina comes to our mind, when it is blackness of any discharge, or there is black menses, clotted menses, but platina is also there in psychological or hormonal imbalance too. So next time we should not miss this. Now, what is about the sexual desire of platina? See, platina is the remedy which is known for sexual obsession. Okay, all kind of perversions, be it sadist, be it masochist, be it trisexuality, be it homosexuality, whatever you name it, and you have it in platina. It is so demanding that it usually causes distress as well. Sensible woman cannot escape from it, which interrupt her normal thinking. She keeps on thinking about the sexual stuff. Okay, I'll tell you one very, very short case. I had a case where female came to me with the PCOD, diagnosed with a known case of PCOD, and she told me that she never get any urge to get intimate or to make love with the husband. Okay, if we take a rubric coitus aversion to, okay, yeah, sexual desire diminished. Okay, a natramure was coming actually. Okay, so and there was she said there is dryness as well. So this all indicates the natramure. I gave natramure. Okay, although there was general well-being in the patient, but patient was not improving at all, even after 1M and 10M potency. Okay, I get personally get scared after giving after remedies after 10M. When then I asked, why don't you like your husband? Okay, so she said there is nothing, no problem in my husband, but I don't like men at all. I like more of females. Then this perversion led me to the prescription of platina. So you name a perversion and you have it in platina female. Next is, see, we all know that platina has a lot of sexual urge. Okay, even she has multiple sexual partners because he cannot find his husband, very satisfactory, or his husband is not able to satisfy her. So, firstly, what she does is she mates with another man. She sleeps with other men around. Okay, she become promiscuous. She try to resist the urge. She even restores the frequent masturbation. At last, when nothing helps her, she started developing an aversion and hatred to the men. No man in this world is able to satisfy me. Now you're getting my point. Number one is the high sexuality. Number two is the pride and superiority complex. Number three is the hatred for men. This turns platina to either homosexuality or perversion, like mating with animals, the tribestality, mating with a dog or any animal around. Okay, so this is the need, the basic theme of platina, which makes her land up in a such sexual perversion. Even Dr. Kent has uh, wrote down platina in ailments from grief. Okay, please do not neglect platina when it comes to grief. Don't always think about the weeping pulsatilla or sobbing natramune or ignatia. Ultimately, she's torn between her great love, to whom she loved from the core of her heart, and now she is very much angry. Now, what to do to release the emotion? She dances. She releases her fiery emotions. Okay, she started getting panic feeling. She missed her duties. Her love is so much passionate that she picks up anger so easily. And she is better by crying, like all females, but words from consolation. Same like Helleborus, Sepia, Naturally. Next is presentiment of death. Platina has a fear of people, particularly of large group. There is the hallucination of spirit, bring fear of ghost, fear of imminent death. Another is Kent laughing over serious matter. When becomes more unhealthy, psychologically imbalanced, they have tendency to laugh, that too over silly matters or very grave or very sad matters. Here I would like to differentiate platina from hyoscyamus and matrimony. This is very important. I request everybody out here to please study materia medica in a comparative manner, because as soon as patients start telling all the complaints, the present complaints, we get confused that is this a calcarea car? Is this is a lachesis? It seems like a sulfur and it's like a lycopodium. And whenever we repertorize a case and we add general and general rubrics, we get the general and general polychrist remedies as well. So in Platina, she laughs especially at the most serious matter, and she does not find the matter amusing. It is not at all interesting or funny, but she can't stop herself from laughing. Whereas in Hyoscyamus laugh at proper things. Somebody falls down and Hyoscyamus start laughing. But the laughing is so intense. Okay, I don't know in which seminar I have heard this, that how to differentiate a laugh of Hyoscyamus. Whenever you see a person, that is the laugh of Hyoscyamus, you feel like slapping him tightly. So laughter is more generalized in Hyoscyamus. In Natramure also laughs on a serious matter, but there is no amusement. It's a simply a reflex. When a patient or a person attempt to avoid fear, to avoid लेकिन कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि जब हमें घबराहट होती है तो हमें हंसी आती है, हमें जब डर लगता है तब हमें हंसी आती है. Those are typical naturals. So emotional disturbance not only disturb platina individual on a mental level, but it gradually attacks the physical level as well. In chronic stages, the emotional stress results in psychosomatic reactions. Even body is getting affected. Definitely, whole body is being governed by mind, spirit, and soul. The brain, the neurotransmitters, the hormones, the proteins. So the physical disorders sets in after the psychological effects or ailments. I'm sure there's no need of telling you the physical complaints, that cramp like or squeezing pain, object looks smaller than I. What specific here is, this is the way to study materia medica. We have spoke for like 20 minutes about the mind, theme, and feeling of platina. The same feeling, the same theme you'll find in the physical complaints as well. In eye, we find object looks smaller than they are. We keep on cramming up to write in the exam that object looks smaller than they are, twitching of eyelids. But why? Because it is coming from the mind. So it becomes very much easy to remember the physical complaints or particular generals of the patient. When it comes to pain with numbness, what are other remedies? Pain with numbness. One is platina. Next, you text me in the chat box. Okay. Now, see the stools. Stool, they adhere to the rectum. How stubborn they are. Soft like clay. Sticky stool. They are not coming out. Constipation of travelers. Queen I am. I cannot use toilet of anybody. Those who are constantly changing food and water. Stool as if burned because they've been in the rectum. Here comes the importance of practice of medicine as well. Females are very hypersensitive. Okay, ovaries are hypersensitive. Menses too early, too profuse. Excessive sexual development, pruritus vulva. See, all the part of female reproductive system are touched by platinum. Sleep with legs far apart. What you'll find it, mannerless, sleeping with legs open. but actually this is hypersensitivity. She cannot bear even touch of sanitary napkin. How sensitive she is. That's why she sleeps with the leg far apart. Dr. Hetal has given answer chamomilla and aconite. That is absolutely correct. Pain with numbness. Next is the modalities and the relationship. We can compare platina after iodide of potash fail in the syphilitic affection. Kali iode, the known for syphilitic complaints. See the position of platina here in the relationship of remedies. He is so superior to everybody that even even in a syphilitic conditions, when Kali iode fails, platina work. When there is violent occipital headache, syphilitic throat, bone affections, caries are there. Okay, platina and natramure, they are also known for their sexual irritability, the irritation of nerve. Pulsatilla and platina, they antidote the bad effect of lead. Yani platina and plumbermet, they are closely related. You know what? When plumbermet fails in the constipation, platina works, and they both complement each other. This is very important. Physical symptom disappears and mental symptoms reappears. You will find platina very much important in premenstrual syndrome. When patient says 1 month I get mood swings, I get insane, I behave like mad, and the other one I have so many physical menstrual complaints, premenstrual complaints. So when physical symptoms comes, mental disappear and vice versa. Okay, there is alternating mood and alternating physical mental complaints on that. This is the theme of platina. Okay, definitely it's a remedy of depression. There is intense sexual arousal in platina just because of hypersensitivity. Some patients have shown tendency to gluttony. What is gluttony? Eating a lot without appetite, eating ravenous. So platina has a rubric contemptuous, greedy eating with. If we refer the Fartex repertory, we'll have admonition aggravate, constipation while traveling, pain increases gradually, decreases gradually. Can anybody name a remedy in which pain comes suddenly and goes suddenly? I'll wait for the answer. Faster finger first. Those who type the remedy which has pain comes suddenly and goes suddenly. Shrieking for help. Shrieking. Shrieking itself is a syphilitic word. Now, another important question. How palladium differs from platinum? They both are heavy metals, they both are jewelry metals, they both have pride in them. Still, how they are different? Okay, the answer Harinath Manchana Bhatla has said belladonna, Dr. Soni Sonkar belladonna, and Prarthana S. Absolutely correct. In belladonna, pains come suddenly and goes suddenly. Very nicely written. Okay, so how palladium differs from platina? You people stay tuned. I have a quiz for you all. I have 7 questions, and those who will give correct answer, definitely I'll give shout out to them. So platina and palladium, they both are metals, and they always try to stay shiny and white forever. And platina has pride, superiority complex, but palladium has a strong need for appreciation from others. I have seen females, those who cook for guests or their family people, and they keep on asking, "Acha nahi bana hai? Acha nahi bana hai?" Why they are asking "Acha nahi bana hai? Acha nahi bana hai? Khana acha hota hai?" Why they are asking? Because there is a strong need of appreciation. Okay, platina displays superiority in her behavior. How important I am. I'm the queen. But palladium will never show this haughtiness. When ailments come from palladium, for palladium, when she get embarrassed and her pride is wounded, palladium wants to be flattered. कोई तारीफ ही करता रहे. Palladium imagines people ignore her क्योंकि इतनी ज़्यादा attention की desire है. They are quiet and they lack self-confidence, which is not at all present in platinum. They are quite egoistic, but they cannot show it directly. This is the main basic line difference between palladium and platinum. They both have sphere of action on female reproductive system, suppressed menses, uterine prolapse, or tumors. But I got very good results in case of PCOD from palladium, where mostly right ovary is affected or both ovaries are affected. Next, there's a quiz. I request everybody to please come over your keyboard. I'm going to ask my first question. My first question is, you have to tell name of the remedy. I have 7, 8 questions. Okay. You have to just tell the name of the remedy which is very much similar to platina in such complaints. My first question is, everything seems strange to the patient. Things seems horrible to her. In her imagination, she sees ghosts, demons. Here, platina resembles whom? Platina resembles whom when everything seems strange to the patient. Things seems horrible to her, and in imagination she sees ghosts and demons. Definitely it's not easy to answer this because the name of the remedy is very much unexpected. Those who have studied materia medica very thoroughly will be able to answer this. Okay, Dr. Kashmira Shah is saying stram. No, not correct answer. Anyone else? Quick, we have questions. Just write one or two so that we could knew it the answer. I'll read out the second question. When as will sometime happen nymphomania. Nymphomania occurs as a result of worm escaping into vagina and there is exciting irritation. No, Dr. Mukta Garg, no Natromir. So, uh, number one, of she sees demon and ghost, she resembles with the answer of first question is Kali Brom. Please read Mind of Kali Brom. She is very much similar with Platina. Now the number second one is happens nymphomania occur result of worm escaping from vagina. You know, irritation at the night, and they are exciting irritation. Even the worms from anus traveling to vagina causing pruritus vulvi, especially at night. Remedy is number third question. Patient seems to have strength of giant. She wishes to embrace everybody. These nymphomaniac symptoms are accompanied by prolapse and induration of uterus, just like. I'll come back to question number 2. The worms escaping from anus or from vagina causing irritation in the pudenda. Remedy is Calidium. Read Calidium. Okay, if you want, I can write answer as well. The first one is Calibrom. The number 2 is Calidium. Number 3, the patient has strength of giant. She wishes, no, not sapia. The nymphomaniac symptoms accompanied by prolapse and induration of uterus. In see dear, how we compare this drug with the sapia. In sapia, there is looseness of muscles. The venous portal congestion. The bodies, the muscles, they are not able to hold the uterus, which is the cause of sapia. Prolapse of uterus in sapia. But here the uterus is not only prolapsed but indurated as well. So the third answer is, anybody else trying, because I'm typing it. The third answer is Oramet. The induration of uterus. We need a syphilitic remedy as well, just like Platina. Number 4, Platina have even succeeded in curing ovaritis when pus has formed and been insufficient to effect is evacuation. Imagine you need to tell a drug which has cured inflammation of ovaries when there is pus formed inside the ovaries, and this remedy is very much efficacious in pouring out the pus. The answer for fourth, anybody? Any guesses? I'm typing. Two drugs are there, so it will be very easy. The probability chances of correct answer increases. The answer is Heparsulf and Lecasis. Heparsulf has, imagine Heparsulf has so much power to abort the infection, even if it's inside the body. Fifth question, the menstrual flow of Platina brings to mind 2 or 3 other remedies which are here deserving. कौन सी ऐसी remedies हैं which have dark clotted blood with or without miscarriage and sensation as if something moving around in the abdomen? This menstrual flow of platina brings to mind two or three other remedies. No legacies. Dr. Soni Sonkar, your hypersulf for fourth question is correct answer. Dark clotted blood, there may be miscarriage, there may be not miscarriage, and sensation that is something is moving around in the abdomen. Okay, not croton, take not thuja. It is written. So the answer for fifth is rhodium, osmium, and iridium. Please do read these drugs. Rhodium, osmium, and iridium. These are all metals. Now, sixth question. Which drug has profuse dark clotted menstrual flow, but its mental symptoms are different from platinum? Very easy drug. I'm sure you all must be knowing about it. That it has only mental symptoms are different. Now I'll tell the remedy. Remedy number six is our very own thievish, inhuman, cruel, snappish chamomile. Okay. Next, seventh question. Which remedy like platina has a sensation forehead as if forehead will come out? Face is burning, bearing down in uterus. Pain comes and goes suddenly. Flow is bright or dark and offensive in nature. I'm sure this seventh remedy is very easy. Fastest finger first. Allow me to make a shout out. Sensation of forehead will come out. Face burning. Bearing down in uterus. Very correct. The answer is belladonna. Dr. Mukta Garg has given very correct answer. Now the last question. Last question. Which drug has prosopalgia with darting needle-like pains? Prosopalgia with darting needle-like pain. Dr. Kashmira Shah, absolutely correct. It's a belladonna is the answer. Now the last question is here. That which drug has prosopalgia with darting needle-like burning? I'm typing the answer. The last question, last chance. I'm writing the answer just because I want you all to just go through these remedies, these 8 drugs, and compare them with platinum. I'll be dropping my email address or my Instagram account. Definitely do inbox me so that I can post your answers there. Show me some efforts, my all dear peers, juniors out here. So the remedy is answer is arsenic album. Arsenic album has prosopalgia with darting needle-like burning pain. Burning, burning, burning. Sulfur, phosphorus, arsenic. The trio of burning. So these are all the references. I'm very much thankful to Google. Mr. Google has helped me a lot in finding out good pictures and to make presentation more even better. I'm dropping my email address if you have any query. So please do write me. I have few patients lined up now. I will take your permission. Thank you so much, BGen family, Dr. Yashika, Dr. Manish Jain sir, those who have given me this opportunity every now and then. Definitely will be staying in touch.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Uh, I think I just want to request the audience to please post your queries in the chat box. We have Dr. Pooja also. She'll be joining us in a minute. And if you have any queries, kindly post on the in the chat box. Ma'am, can you please on your video? Dr. Anu?
Yes, Dr. Ashika.
Please on your video, ma'am.
There's some internet issue at my side. Some internet issue at my side.
No problem, ma'am. We'll discuss the question answers in the same way. We'll just give a minute to the audience to post their queries
Okay.
in the chat box. I check the YouTube. Ma'am, there is a question from Dr. Rajendra, miasmatic approach to drugs of Materia Medica. Can you please summarize?
It's a very huge question, I must say. Classifying materia medica drugs into miasm. If you all want, we can have a separate webinar for this as well. But just to give the answer, I'll tell you most of the polycrest remedies they are tri-miasmatic. Just like the bloated abdomen, the fair, fatty look of materia car, it looks like a psychotic drug, but actually is a soric drug. Remedies like phosphorus, like ignatia, the natramute, they are triamiasmatic. But still, there are some drugs which have stick to the miasm. Like Oromet, it is syphilitic. Platina, we discussed about, is syphilitic. The nitric acid, all the acids, I must say, they are syphilitic. So we'll find the syphilitic trait and the mind
All the assets, I must.
Okay, these are psychotic drugs. We have Entelprude, we have Thuja, we have tubercular drugs, we have tuberculinum, we have even kings of anti-miasmatic remedies. So definitely we'll plan a webinar and the better use of anti-miasmatic remedy in cracking a case and using them as intercurrent as well. Any other question?
Thank you so much, ma'am. Dr. Pooja, are you with us? Please on your video.